I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to change your plan with Koodo Online, follow these steps to make the process smooth and easy. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the ashrock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker that update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to the Plans section. Once logged in, find the Plans section in the menu. This is where you can view your current plan and explore new options. Step 3. Select Change Plan. Click on the option to change plan. This will display all available plans that you can switch to, along with their features and pricing. Step 4. Review plan options. Take your time to compare the different plans. Pay attention to data limits, pricing, and any additional features that may benefit you. For example, if you're really looking for more data, check the Data Add-on section for options. Step 5. Confirm your selection. After choosing your new plan, follow the prompts to confirm your selection. Make sure to review any changes to your billing cycle or contract terms before finalizing. Changing your plan online with Koodo is straightforward once you know where to look. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to their customer support. Happy planning!